Want to make your own homemade guacamole? Well, alright, let's do it. We're big guac lovers here, and this is our family favorite. We're going to take you step by step on how we make this. Let's get rolling. We're going to make a serving of 2 here, so let's collect everything that we need. A bottle of lime juice, some table salt, some cilantro, 3 avocados, 1 red onion, and 1 small tomato. And you're most certainly going to want those tortilla chips standing by. The first step is to peel and pit those avocados. If you have more than 2 people that will be partaking of the guacamole, you'll certainly want to use more avocados than just 3. We just always make sure to not make too much guacamole because it always tastes much better when it's fresh. Here you can see my wife is using an avocado 3-in-1 type of tool, but you can certainly use a regular knife. But ever since she's been using this tool, she has not gone back. The bottom line here is you want to make sure that pit is fully removed and scoop out as much of that avocado goodness as you can from inside that peel. After scooping out all of the avocados, you want to move on to mashing those all up thoroughly. Using a fork for this will work just fine. Make sure those avocados are thoroughly mashed up so you have a nice smooth base to work with. Once you get that smooth consistency, you want to move that over into a small mixing bowl. Nice. Here we add in the salt. The more you like salt, the more you can add in. You can see we like salt. Next, give that lime juice a little bit of a shake, and then you can add in a couple squirts, adding up to about ½ an ounce. That red onion is up next. Let's cut off the ends and then remove the outer layers of the onion. There we go. Here you want to dice up as much onion as you feel that you would like. Cutting a crisscross pattern on one of the ends of the onion is a handy way to do this. Once that crisscross pattern is done, you just want to cut off layer by layer to get your diced onions. That looks really good right there for our serving of 2. Let's add those to the mixing bowl. It's time for the cilantro. Here you want to remove the leaves from the stems, which you can do with a simple knife, but here my wife is demonstrating her herb cutter, which she really enjoys using as well. The amount of cilantro that you use is certainly flexible. We are using about 20 small leaves here for our serving of 2, and then you want to mince those up nice and small. And watch those fingers. Then we move those over into that bowl. Mincing those leaves on a cutting sheet certainly makes this easier. Let's get that tomato and dice that up as well into a variety of small to medium pieces. We personally don't go very heavy on these tomatoes. As you can see here, you can add those to the dish and mix everything up nice and completely. Once you get that fully mixed up, you can move that to your serving bowl and get ready to serve it right away. I think ours here was eaten up within 45 minutes. Yeah, this is really good. We hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. Be sure to click that subscribe button to stay notified when we post new videos and new recipes like this. We thank you for watching and be blessed.